Talking about how to round the corners of an object, which is something like this. Come to draw. I've gotten this type of object. I want to make this place round just as this. So you click on the object and group all of them into. I'll go to Windows, Dockers, then search for corners. So we have different type. The round one is called fillet. Produce rounded corners. So by default this side is you see it here. So we have scallop. This scallop produces a notch corner. Then we have chamfers, bevel the corners. So let me go for this first one. Let me go for the fillet, which is a round corner. So we can increase the radius here if we wish. Here, increase it. The more you increase, the more it will be. Make it 1 inches. 1 inch. Can you see it? So apply. So here, the same thing here. You might want to change this one too. If I use scallop, I use it. Give me the shape. For this, if I should use chamfered to give me the shape, so I apply. I see the shape it's given. This is how it works in CorelDRAW. Meet you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.